Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install latest Oracle on your Windows system. So let's start the video. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and simply search for Oracle 26 AI download. And here you can see the official website of oracle.com. You need to just click on this link, Oracle 26 AI free. So guys, it will redirect you to this page, and here just scroll down and click on this tab, get started. Now here you can see different Oracle AI database free release based on operating system. So guys, you can see for different operating system like Linux, Red Hat, the installation is available. Just scroll down, you will be getting for Windows. So here you can see Microsoft Windows x64. You need to just click on this link. So guys, here you can see the download has been started. It will take a while, so we will wait for it. Okay guys, so download of this database is done. It is a zip file, so I need to extract this. So simply I'm clicking on this folder. So guys, here it has taken me to my downloads folder, and I'm simply extracting this by clicking on this extract all button. So I'm just starting extraction of this zip file. And here the extraction is done, and it has taken me to my extracted folder that is there in my downloads folder. And in this folder I'm having one setup.exe file. So I'm going to simply click on this setup.exe file to start my installation. So now guys, it is asking me permission, so I'm going to click on yes button. And now here you can see it is showing me this screen, and I'm going to click on next button over here. Now on this page it is showing me license and agreement, so I'm going to select this I accept, and I'm going to click on this next button. And now guys, here it's showing me the location. Here my Oracle will be installed. So if you want to change, you can click on change button. I'm keeping the default one, and I'm clicking on this button. Here it's showing me this message. So for that, I'm going to simply check mark this, and I'm going to click on next button. Okay. And guys, here it is asking me password. Whatever password you want to provide. But remember this password, because this password is required if you want to log into SQL Plus or if you want to log into SQL Developer. So just provide the password and click on next button. On this page, it is showing me different location where my data will be stored, home location, everything. So simply click on install button, and guys, the installation has been started. In between, it will ask you certain permissions. So just click on allow button whenever it is asking any permission. So this is quite long process. It will take a while. So please wait for it. And guys, here my installation is completed. It is showing me finish button. So if you want to take a screenshot of this, you can take, otherwise you can refer my video. It remains same. Just click on finish button. Now I'm just going to my apps, and I'm just showing you under this Oracle what things has been installed. So here I'm just going to Oracle, and now I'm just expanding it, and you can see these are the product which has been installed. So if you want to run query, you need to use SQL Plus. So you can click over here to start SQL Plus, or you can search in Windows search SQL Plus, and it will start this window. So guys, here you need to enter the password which you have provided during installation. Username for SQL Plus is sys or system. So you can write any of the username. So I'm just writing system, and I'm entering password. So passwords are not visible in Oracle. Simply you type correct password and hit enter, and you can see it's showing me login successful here. My last login also it is showing me. And now guys, here you can type whatever query you want to type. If you want to create any table or whatever you want to do, you can type here. I'm simply typing one query for creating table. I'm just trying to show you that yes, it is working perfectly. So I've just created one table, and I'm just describing this table by using this command, and you can see it's showing me my appropriate output. So guys, I conclude my video. I hope by following my video, you are able to install Oracle successfully. If you are facing any issues or any problem, you can send me through comment, or you can send me through IG also. Just follow me before sending any messages. And guys, if you really like my video, do hit on like button and don't forget to share with your friends. Guys, I'm there on different social media. All the social media link I have given in description box. Certainly you can follow me using that links. And guys, I'm having my website also. I'm posting lots of content over there. You can just check it out. Link is in description box. Guys, if my videos are really helping you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Keep watching and keep learning, guys.